Hey everyone, I am Anju Sai. I am a second year computer science engineering student at Mahatma Gandhi Mission's College of Engineering and Technology, Noida. My project for the Engage Mentorship program is face recognition based attendance system. So now let's move on to the computer screen. We will start with the timeline of the project, how I proceeded in these 4 weeks window. In week 1, I searched for the suitable tech stack and tested various face recognition APIs and packages available that I can use for my project. In week 2, I created some basic functionality and made connection with the database and also created login and the home page. In week 3, I implemented take attendance feature and optimized it with search attendance feature. In week 4, I added download attendance feature to my project and also added comments to the project and prepared readme file. So now let's talk about the technologies that I used for this project. Firstly, I used Django for my project, and for face recognition, I have used OpenCV. While working on the project, I interacted with my friends and mentor and talked about my plans, what I did, and what I wanted to do. I also listened for suggestions and incorporated the ideas on the weekly basis with my mentor. Now let's move on to the actual project. We need to go at 127.0.0.1 and port is 8000. So we will just enter the credential to the login here. Now we have successfully logged into our application. We have 4 options here. First is take attendance, add student, update student details, and search attendance. Currently, we have 2 students already in our database with registration ID 1211 and 1212. I'll be adding 2 more students here. So I will just enter the details of the new students. So I am adding these 2 students in branch CSE. Year is second and section is C. So now we need to upload profile picture here. So I will be adding profile picture of Anju Sai here. We need to keep one thing in mind that profile picture should be in PNG format and should be less than 1 MB. Now we will just click submit here. When we will click submit, we will get a message here. Student Anju Sai was successfully added. Now we will be adding one more student here. That is Ankit Negi, and here are the details of the Negi. We will be adding him in the same class and same section. So I have just added the image for Ankit Negi also, and I will click submit. And we have added both the students here. So in case we want to update the details of the existing student, we can just enter the registration ID here and branch, select the branch here, and when we click submit, it is showing the details of the Anju Sai. So we don't need to update anything here. So we will just take the attendance. So we added our student second year, section is C, and period is first. So let's start take attendance. So when I will click on take attendance, it will just start a Python window in our PC. And when we will go to Python window, you can see that it can recognize our faces very well. And to save the attendance, we need to press S key on our keyboard. When I will press S key, it will just simply save the attendance, and student with ID 1214 and 1215 are marked present for the period 1, and today's date is May 29, 2022. Now we'll go to home page. Now let's move on to the search attendance feature. So here we can see that all the attendance that is currently recorded here. We will just filter out the attendance for period 1 here by entering 1 here, and when we click search here, it is showing us the attendance for period 1. We can also download the attendance by clicking here. So it just downloaded the attendance in Excel sheet. So we can see that the attendance is successfully downloaded here. Now we will go to our home page and check the responsiveness of the website. So we can see that the website is completely responsive for all the elements. Like if we will go here, it is like fully responsive. One more thing that I would like to share is that the search attendance feature can be accessed without logging in, so that students can check their attendance. So I will just log out from here. So I have like logged out from here, and I will try to access the search attendance page. So as we can see that we can access search attendance for it without logging in, and we have actually not logged in here, as we can see here. That was all of my project. While working on the project, I know that there might be some problems that will rise on the way. Webcam window was supposed to be embedded inside the browser itself, but I was facing difficulty in implementing it. At the right time, my mentor suggested me to make basic functionalities working first. So without wasting any more time on trying to implement the original webcam window, I kept the webcam window in Python itself. Many other improvements can be made and many other functionalities can be added to the project. Overall, it was a really nice experience as being engaged program mentee. I got to learn about a lot of new things on the way. I hope you like my project. Thank you.